Hi everybody, my name is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I have something very excited. Already have something new for you to show you, and it's brand new lipstick, liquid lipstick from Christian Dior. Yes, we need shake, shake, shake. This is the newest Christian Dior lip formula, lip product, $45, and it's a Rouge Dior Forever Liquid Lacquer lipstick. Again, $45. It is very liquidy. When you're gonna use this product, you need to shake, 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 and then open, and make sure you open this way and not upside down, because if it's you're gonna open this way, it is liquid inside. It's gonna be mess everywhere. Again, in this formula, I will show you 6 colors I have with me today. This formula comes with 7 colors, but I got for you 6. I will show you all colors. I will tell you plus and minuses about this formula, because I do have some little bit issue, but it's not measured. I do like these products, and I'm review just for you. And of course, if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. I really appreciate your love. And in this video, I decide I'm gonna do little gift giveaway for one of you who follow me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, who subscribe my YouTube channel, and of course comments below. What do I have here? I have a beautiful Christian Dior makeup bag. It has CD here, and of course luxury samples inside here. All what you need to do, comments below, of course subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to try this lip color. First we need to do shake, shake, shake. Second, you need to open up, not down, because it's very, very liquid formula, and you know what's gonna happen? It's gonna spill everywhere. But again, look at this very cute pointy applicator. Let me show you a little bit more close. I love this. This is, I really like applicator. I'm not sure if I like formula, because it's very liquidy, and I knew it's gonna happen. I know it's gonna happen. A lot of clients gonna open and they're gonna spill this product. What's mean? You, because you're watching my YouTube channel, I'm telling you right now exactly how to use, how to open, how to apply these products. Okay, let's try. First color, it's 999. It's a very red, juicy color. I apply first layer, but I feel I need to apply one more to look like this lip color looks more even. It's definitely, this is beautiful colors. Again, it's number 999. Beautiful, like a true red color. I can feel it, this lipstick, it's drying on my lips. They say we need to wait 5 minutes until products will dry. I don't have time to wait this 5 minutes, because I already know, I'm telling you right now, if it's this lipstick dry completely, my makeup wipes not gonna remove this product. You truly need like eye makeup remover or some like oil products to remove this color. I like color, I like how it feels, this product, but I also notice about around my lips it started a little bit sticky. I don't know why, just maybe on me like this, but feels hydrating, feels beautiful, don't feels dry, but around my lips, it's just, you know, I want to do like this. And I don't know why, I usually don't have this issue, but you know what, products, it looks beautiful. I like this glossy shine, it's not matte. Okay, this is color 999. Ooh, gorgeous. I have Lancome eye makeup remover for sensitive skin, and let's start remove this. Wow, it's not easy to remove. It's definitely gonna stay all day long. After this bright color, I feel I wanna go with something neutral, and I'm gonna use right now color 100. Again, you need to shake this. Remember, it's very liquidy. Remember, it does have a very long power stay. I do not know any product stay long like this. It's so hard to remove. If I will compare to MAC or Chanel, it's way more longer formula. And I like it gives you the shine on your lips. I don't like matte products usually, and this is why even it's a little bit sticky, but I like it. Wow, I do like this color 100. Oh God, so beautiful. Wow, this is so beautiful, soft color. It's have a little bit like more nude pinky undertone, but it's not like a pink. I do like this color a lot. This will be my everyday color, and I have a disposal applicator. I grabbed this from my store, and I actually really like it. It's a little bit longer because it's disposal. I wish this lipstick a little bit longer have applicator, but I love this color a lot. Ooh, I forgot to swatch for you. Okay, let's do first color 999, beautiful red color, and now it's color 100. And now let's see how long stays this lipstick on my lips. It's more than 5 minutes I have on my lips. Let me show you this. It's nothing on my hand, nothing. It stays so good. Wow, and it's still shiny. I like how it's still shiny looking, this lip color. I'll be honest with you, I'm working very hard to remove this lip color. It's not easy at all. And now I'm gonna apply 840. It's funny, right? I'm recording for my YouTube channel, and same time I'm recording for my Instagram. If you not yet follow me, please follow me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. This is its color 840. I think it's beautiful. Go with my eyeshadow. It's beautiful on my lips. Again, it's not feels dry. It feels very hydrated. I like it shiny. It's satin finish. It's like it has this glow look. Because again, I do not like matte products and colors. It's like a soft brick red, but it's not like too bright. Beautiful color. And now let me show you. This is its color 840. It's right here. You can see even on my hand it looks very shiny and glossy. And of course, I need from you guys comments below. Follow me on Instagram, and one of you will receive this Christian Dior makeup bag and all goodies inside. I'm not even opening because I heard it's like COVID coming back. It's not even open. I do not even know what is inside, but it is Christian Dior, beautiful pink bag. It's have a logo right here, CD. It's waiting for you. Comments below. follow me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. Leave a nice comment on Instagram and one of you will receive this beautiful gift. Next color is 720. Oh, I love the 720. Beautiful, beautiful color. It's not too bright, it's not too light. I love this color. Again, let me show you 720 color. Color 200. Looks like pretty neutral color, but let's try. This is color 200, and I feel like right now, fall is here, and it is fall here. It's neutral with like a brown little bit undertone. If we compare probably like number 100, it's more pinky undertone, and this one it's have more brown. I have one more color and it's 875. But you know what? Before I try, let's see if it's this transfer proof or not. Nothing on my end, nothing. And look at this shine. I love this formula. $45. No, you know what? You're paying for name, but I feel it's a good quality and I will pay $45. I really like all these colors because they're not too intense. It's just like every single color I like here. You know, sometimes you see lipstick, I don't know, I'm not sure. All these colors, it's beautiful. You definitely need to help me to choose the winner one. And remember my one giveaway, sorry, it's one. You're gonna receive a makeup Christian Dior bag with goodies inside. All what you need to do, subscribe here, comments below, reach me on Instagram, subscribe my Instagram too, and just do Dior giveaway, and I will choose one of you and I will send you home. It's free shipping. Again, last color 875. Wow, this is it's sexy. This is it's like classy color. It's a little bit, I will say, very rich burgundy red. Oh, I love this color. I turn it off, ring light. You can see this lip color or just a regular daylight. It's so pretty. I'm coming close to the camera. You can see color 875. It's very rich. It's a darker color in this formula. But again, look at my lips, how beautiful, sexy. I like everything except around my mouth. Not around my lips, around my mouth. It's a little bit sticky. But you know what? I love how this formula lips on my feels on my lips, and it goes so pretty with my hair today, this color. I hope you like this video, you enjoy this video. Please subscribe, comments below, and reach me on my Instagram, and one of you will receive a beautiful gift from me. It's Christian Dior gift. Love you more than ice cream. Bye everybody.